Hey, Ascendant, I'm Christopher from Georgetown Kia, and I want to thank you for your inquiry on our 2009 Pontiac G3. Really nice vehicle. We actually just got in, one owner. Just wanted to let you know it is in our servicing bay just to get the safety done to the vehicle, because we do that to all of our vehicles. Right now, it currently does have the windshield out of it, so there was a crack in it that we are having it replaced. So you do have are going to be getting a brand new windshield. Then, if you take a look at the vehicle, it already does come with good treaded winter tires on it, so you can get around very easily in the winter. And also with your main features that you'd be looking at on the vehicle as well, you have your fog lights. New design, they actually changed it over, I believe '09 was the first year that they did change it over, and then body condition all the way around is actually in very nice shape. And you can see it does come with your basic options with the vehicle, where you do have all your automatic transmission, your full air and everything like that as well, and your full stereo and auxiliary port with your MP3 player as well. So if you actually take a look, the vehicle is in excellent condition, and you can't really beat it. It's got 84,000 kilometers, and for the price that we have it just promoted online, you can't really see anything bad about it as well. When you take a look all the way around, condition is in phenomenal shape. And if you take a look in the back, those are just the seals for the window, and then you still have some storage in the back as well. Sendin, I'm very excited to try and work something out. I do appreciate your interest in our vehicle, and hopefully we can work something out. Once again, my name is Christopher from Georgetown Kia. If you don't mind giving me a call at 905-877-8375, or replying back to my email, and we can set something up for you to take a look at the vehicle. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Talk to you later. Have a good day.